Hi guys, my name is Zaryaz and I am the creator of this YouTube channel Loom with Nida, which I launched in 2024. It was about learning and exploring different cultures around the world, and especially Korean culture, where I express myself in storytelling, fashion, and history, relatable slice of life to engage different viewers around the world who have the same interest. My channel is all about exploring Korean culture, and it is a safe and warm place for young women who want to explore Korean culture, where Korean culture blooms into everyday stories through passion and feelings. Actually, I started getting interested in Korean culture when I was in class 11th. It was the time of the COVID, so there was nothing much to do, and I was transferred into different schools. So I had really no friends there. So that's when I started watching the first K-drama. It was My Love from the Stars, and it was really genuine and good K-drama at that time. So yeah, that's how I made friends in class 11th, because the girls who I talked to had the same interest. So yeah, that was the moment through which I made friends, and it was a generally nice memory. Yeah, I do make some videos that performed well. One of them was exploring different relationship in K-dramas, and K-drama inspired clothes haul that I bought from the Sarojini. It really performed well because I think young women usually love these kind of things. So yeah, that was the videos that performed really well on my channel. My core audience is young women who are in the age from 16 to 30s, who have same interests, whether it is fashion, culture, trying different foods or outfits, K-pop, K-dramas, who are always trying to better themselves and finding something better to relate. So yeah, that's my core audience. So as I was talking about earlier, that this was the video that performed well. Actually, I got feedback on this video. I got comments like it was a really nice video, it got many likes, and it boosted my confidence that usually viewers want to engage in this type of content. So it really boosts my will to make more content about Korean culture. And my friends also gave me feedback that video was not looking that I made, because it was something they do not expect to be that good. So yeah. Yes, I do have a signature video style where I do voiceover the videos, the clips of the K-dramas to make content. Also, I have this pastel color theme for my channel because it makes it really look warm and nice, and the voiceover videos usually sum up all the stories or to the audience that wanna see, and it not required much of the recording because I don't really always in the mood of recording whenever I am outside of the house, because it need a studio type of setting and piece to make that type of content. So yeah, I really do find voiceovers and the text form of videos easy to make. This has changed. Yeah, it absolutely got changed, because as I started, I followed on trends, but I followed trends, but it not feel really personal, because trend usually come and go. But I more focus on building a narrative that feels personal and impact people for a longer time. Because when you make those kind of videos who feel personal, it leaves a lasting impact on the audience you have, and that really a powerful thing if you are building a channel, because you have power to shift narratives. So that's what I believe, and yeah, I do focus on more building narrative. I think it's the storytelling of the K-dramas, because I find it more interesting, because different K-dramas have different kind of stories in which we have different sort of characters who have different jobs and different kind of life. So when these K-dramas come into life, we have a different aspect to see life, how life really works, and it feels interesting because much of the dramas I watch instead of Korean has not much character depth and versatility. It's also have like kind of same storyline where characters are not that on like professional level, but Korean dramas has this like versatility of characters and jobs. So yeah, that's what I like. I would love to make content that, you know, make people see real Korea, how actually Korea is, and also I would love to collaborate with different creators. So yeah, that's my plan for the futures. Warm, heartfelt, creative, and relatable. One message I would want to give would be to feel less alone and taking care of your mental health, because and this moment of time people are really, you know, suicidal. So through my content, or whether you watch feel or comfort watching K-dramas or any other sort of things, I want people to feel less alone and talk about their mental health more easily, so that we can solve this major problem. So yeah, that's it for the videos, guys. I hope you like and enjoyed this video. Please share your reviews in the comment section.